Hi guys, we're gonna be doing a 100-yard dash run next this Sunday going on the 24th, and I'm gonna get that trophy. I'm going home. Shh. It's not about you. You don't do Special Olympics. I'm gonna take it home, and when I go to high school, and when we move from here, I'm gonna be happy. This place is boring. All you see is a freaking wall. See? Just wall. Wall, 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 wall. That wall is long. Going all the way down to the freeway. That wall is long. This is why we see a freaking wall. Can't see a freeway. And number two, it's boring. It gets hot out here in our area. Bet you 69 degrees or more than that. So bye people, this is my sister. Supposed to be playing around in hot weather. These are dead flowers. Dead and dead. This one's not dead. As far as I know. Say hi, Donald. Hi guys. Look at all these rocks. And look at all these flowers that Donna picked off the bush. Like thousands of them. There's like all right there. All over there. It's like all these dead flowers. See? And look at that tree.
Honey, you don't like this house.
Look at the car. Snapchat people.